Hey friends, it's Rosie, and in this video I'm making some easy coconut curry chicken. We're starting off with some extra virgin olive oil, and I'm going to fry my chicken until it is nice and golden brown, just over a medium high. So I'm using about 4 chicken thighs here. If you want to use a different piece of chicken, that is totally fine. Once again, we just want to make sure it's nice and brown. So while the chicken is cooking, I'm going to slice up some vegetables. Now I have some carrots that I also peeled before I chopped. I have some onions and I have some potatoes. So we can head back over to the stove top, and we're going to add in the onions. Don't add in the carrots or the potatoes at this time, just the onions. We're going to turn the heat down from medium high to just medium and let that fry a little longer. Now we can make our curry sauce. I'm going to use some coconut milk straight out of the can. That is real coconut milk. I'm also going to add in some black pepper, which is off camera. I'm also adding in some ground ginger and some brown sugar. We are also going to use some curry powder that I also got from my Dollar Tree there. Then I'm going to give that a nice whisk until that coconut milk mixture is all nice and smooth. Then we're going back to the stove. Pour in that coconut curry milk and make sure the heat is now turned down to about low. So now we can add in the carrots. Don't forget, we did peel those before we chopped them. And now you can also add in your potatoes. The potatoes should be last because potatoes tend to overcook and they fall apart when you do overcook them. So make sure you add those in last. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to let this simmer over the low medium for about 10 to 15 more minutes. And I like to serve this over rice. You can use jasmine rice, regular white rice, or brown rice. That's totally up to you. And I like a lot of sauce. And that is it. Very easy and perfect for busy weekdays. I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you all soon. Bye!